We are trying to find the sum of a certain pair, so two consecutive odd integers. So odd integers obviously would be like 1, 3, 5, or -1, -3, -5. The first clue says at least one integer is negative. Well, that doesn't tell me anything because they both might be negative, or one might be negative and one might be positive. So that one doesn't work by itself. 2, at least one of the integers is positive. Well, that doesn't work either for the very same reason. But if you put them both together, at least one integer is negative. So let's think about -1 being the integer that's negative, odd, and at least one of the integers is positive. So that would be +1, because what's tricky is that 0 is in between those, but 0, it's not positive or negative, so you don't even think about it. So the two integers, the pair has to be -1 and 1, and the sum, of course, would be 0. So the answer is C.